Ever found yourself a little short before payday? Like ramen noodle for dinner short? We've all been there. It's a frustrating feeling, knowing your paycheck is just around the corner, but you're stuck in a pinch right now. That's where apps like Brigit come in, promising a little financial breathing room. But the big question is, just how much can you actually borrow from Brigit? That's exactly what we're diving into today. Brigit is a financial app that offers small, instant cash advances, designed to help you cover those unexpected expenses or bridge the gap until your next paycheck arrives. It's positioned as an alternative to overdraft fees and payday loans, which can often trap you in a cycle of debt. They offer a few different features, including budgeting tools and financial insights, but the cash advance, or instant cash as they call it, is what most people are curious about. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How much can you borrow? The answer, unfortunately, isn't a simple, one-size-fits-all number. Brigit doesn't advertise a specific maximum loan amount. Instead, the amount you're eligible to borrow is determined by a number of factors, and it can vary significantly from person to person. So, what are these mysterious factors? Well, Brigit uses an algorithm to assess your financial health. They look at things like your income, spending habits, how often you get paid, and the overall stability of your financial situation. Think of it like a credit score, but specifically tailored to how you use your checking account. The more regular and predictable your income, and the fewer red flags in your spending, the more likely you are to qualify for a higher borrowing amount. One important thing to note is that Brigit is designed to be a responsible lending platform. They're not trying to get you into a mountain of debt. They want to help you manage your finances, not make them worse. Because of this, they tend to start users with smaller borrowing limits and then gradually increase those limits as you demonstrate responsible repayment behavior. This means if you're a brand new Brigit user, don't expect to be able to borrow hundreds of dollars right off the bat. You might start with a smaller amount, maybe $50 or $100, and then as you use the app and consistently repay your advances on time, your available borrowing amount may increase. It's all about building trust and demonstrating to Brigit that you can manage your finances responsibly. Another factor that can influence your borrowing limit is the type of Brigit plan you have. They offer a basic free plan and then a paid membership plan called Brigit Plus. Brigit Plus members often have access to higher borrowing limits and other premium features. So, if you're looking to maximize the amount you can borrow, upgrading to Brigit Plus might be an option to consider. It's also worth mentioning that Brigit isn't designed for large, long-term loans. These are small, short-term advances meant to cover immediate needs, not finance major purchases. Think of it as a safety net, not a long-term financial solution. The repayment terms are typically tied to your next payday, so you'll need to repay the borrowed amount relatively quickly. So, to summarize, there's no magic number for how much you can borrow on Brigit. It depends on your individual financial profile, your usage of the app, and whether you're a basic or Brigit Plus member. If you're curious about your potential borrowing limit, the best way to find out is to download the app, link your bank account, and see what they offer you. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.